Welcome back. Now, assuming that you have your script for each slide and you have your add-in settings adjusted, you're now ready to begin recording. Now, to start and pause the recording, the hotkeys are Control, Shift, and F9 all in one action. And so if we click Control, Shift, and F9, what you'll see then is that your first slide will then appear and it is ready to begin recording. What you will also see in the bottom right-hand corner is you will see a preview button. Now what you can do here is you can then click again Control, Shift, and F9 in order to start the recording or begin. And so we will click Control, Shift, and F9, and then the recording process then starts. In order to pause the recording, we would then click again Control, Shift, and F9. And what you'll see then is that we get the window reminding us that the recording is still going. Now, in order to scroll through your recording, you're going to use your arrow keys. So for example, in order to advance to the next slide, we're going to use the down arrow. And that'll take us to either the next slide or to the next point. We can then click the down arrow again. And if we have animations enabled, what will happen is the next animated point will then appear. And we can continue to narrate our PowerPoint with the down arrow, moving through our points, and then moving on to the next slide. Once we have completed the PowerPoint presentation and we've completed our narration, you can see that what we can do is we can then click the Control, Shift, and then F10 button, or we can click the Escape button in order to stop the recording. So for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is click Control, Shift, and then F10. And then our PowerPoint add-in will give us a choice. We can either stop the recording or continue recording. Now for the sake of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to click Stop the recording. We're then prompted to save our video to a specific directory. We will then do is save our recording file to that location. Our add-in will then automatically give us two choices. We'll be prompted now to either produce our recording, which is to create the video as is, or to move the file to our editing screen and then go on to produce our recording after we edit it. So for the sake of this video, we're going to click Edit. We're then going to click OK. And typically, you're going to leave this box ticked so that you will always get the choice from PowerPoint. We're going to click OK. Your Camtasia editing area will then open with the file inside. And so you'll see the opening process start on your personal computer. And your recording is now ready for the editing process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.